Like almost blocking the light.
I think you're gonna need specific times when you might have to turn another channel on so I can get like readings and things. We have something over there, you see it? Like underneath that cloud. Like something's trying to happen.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome.
There's gonna be a tornado.
Yeah.
Twister.
Unless it like dissipates before, which is always possible.
True, but around here,
Well, when I came up, it looked like you guys had a funnel right over there.
sometimes we get them and then they just disappear.
There's like never tornadoes in O'Neill. There was that one.
Dude,
that
but
mom
they're
took a
always
picture of.
around here.
But they never like.
Yep, storm's here. So you've got this one here.
Yeah.
Then we got those. I got that one.
Oh, you're sending me that. You should email them to me though, and then we'll have them on the computer.
Yeah, definitely. Some of these are like great. Oh, here it is. Look at the colors on that one.
Isn't this breeze just heavenly?
Well,
I think it feels great.
Watch the flag.
Watch the what? Yeah, I'm
Flag.
watching.
Like change directions like 3 times.
That was like the heart of it right there.
Yeah.
Welcome to Nebraska.
Ooh, it's a cold one too.
Yeah. A couple hours ago we were sweating to death and there was no breeze at all. Beautiful. Deadly, but beautiful.
You know, I've never seen anything that's not meant to be beautiful though. I mean,
True that.
it's like more than gorgeous.
I know.
Breathtaking.
It really is.
Makes you feel really insignificant too. It's kind of like, you know, right here in the giant.
Getting all wet. But I've got some gorgeous video.
Yeah, that looks like it's turning into a funnel.
Where?
Right over there between those 2 trees. Do you see it?
Oh my god, yes.
Isn't that awesome? Look at that. That's dipped down really low.
Yeah, it has.
But I can't see any
Oh, now it
rotation
looks
on
like it's going away though. See
Yeah,
that?
it
It
keeps
came
doing
down
that.
and then it disappeared.
So I don't know if we're getting any funnels at all. I'm not going to worry until they start sounding the sirens on the hood. They probably
You
have
go to
spotters
the
or
basement
whatever.
anyway.
Huh?
You go to the basement
Well, I know,
anyway.
but the main part of the film's right here.
Yeah, but most of the show's over here.
I know. Because that one's so difficult.
I think I unplugged my amp.
Yeah. Did you unplug your laptop too?
Yeah.
I know I did.
I have nothing plugged in.
The only thing I have plugged in right now is my cell phone.
You know,
I'm
maybe
not
we should
really that
unplug the
worried.
TVs.
These rarely get hit. Oh, Dad's got hit.
I was going to say, your dad just got hit a couple months ago.
But that's like one of the only.
A couple months ago. That was like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, a couple weeks
Like
ago.
one of the only times I've ever heard that happen.
I know TVs don't usually get it. It's always the computers.
I think my old DVD player might have got zapped though, because I mean, it just stopped working at one point. I don't know why. Might have got zapped in the storm.
Really?
Yeah. It wouldn't
The
turn on
activity
anything.
rotations. Really?
I'm gonna have to show this stuff to all my friends who
Whoa,
don't believe
that
this
was a
happens.
Really bright flash.
People that think it only happens in the movies, like Twister.
Twister and Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
It really doesn't happen often though. It's spectacular anyway.
It has lately.
Oh my gosh, there's been so many storms lately.
I know.
There was one like a couple weeks ago that was pretty good. But I wish
You
it
know what's
happened.
awesome?
Wasn't there one like just 2 days ago?
Like, yeah, a couple days ago.
Maybe it was that one.
What's totally awesome is
Or
when I
like
put this on the
last-
computer, I can like take screenshots
Oh yeah.
and get good pictures.
There's Dottie making her plans.
This is great.
And we're sitting here with like video cameras and everything going,
night we went to Twister in the theater?
Yeah, and then there was a giant tornado like the next day, and we were scared shitless.
Yeah. Didn't actually come through O'Neill, but the sirens sounded.
I've got Jen's phone in the corner of my video.
Oh, sorry. Baby.
Sounds like a siren.
Yeah, but it isn't here. It's like in someone else's town. Cause yeah, I was just thinking that sounds like a siren going off somewhere.
Well, your sirens are a lot louder, right?
Well, yeah.
I would figure.
Trust me, you'd know.
I think it's so awesome to come outside. It's like already flashing green. Holy cow.